Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today we're taking a close look at one of the most ambitious and luxurious vehicles Mercedes-Benz has ever created, the brand new 2026 Mercedes Motorhome. This is far more than just a camper van with a star badge on the front. Mercedes has combined its decades of innovation in automotive engineering with the idea of a high-end mobile lifestyle, and the result is a motorhome that feels like a moving five-star suite. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is about freedom, luxury, and practicality all rolled into one, giving travelers the chance to explore the world without leaving behind the comfort of a Mercedes. On the outside, the vehicle immediately sets itself apart from anything else in its category. The front design proudly displays the modern Mercedes grille, larger and bolder than ever, with the iconic three-pointed star sitting in the center. Sleek LED digital headlights sweep outward in a futuristic design and adjust intelligently to traffic and weather, ensuring perfect visibility in every condition. The body itself has been sculpted for aerodynamics, which is unusual for a motorhome. Instead of looking boxy and clumsy, it carries smooth flowing lines that make it look elegant and dynamic, almost like a stretched luxury SUV. The panoramic windshield dominates the front, not only giving the driver excellent visibility, but also adding to the futuristic design. On the sides, you'll notice hidden storage compartments, large alloy wheels with an intricate multi-spoke design, and chrome accents around the windows, giving it an unmistakably premium appearance. The high roofline has been seamlessly integrated into the overall body, so the motorhome doesn't look like a van with an extension on top. At the rear, slim LED taillights stretch across the width of the vehicle, mirroring the front's modern look. The entire exterior makes a statement. This is not just transportation, this is a luxury home designed to move. Stepping inside, the Mercedes touch is immediately clear. The cabin is designed with the same attention to detail you would expect from an S-Class or GLS, but expanded into a full living space. The interior is wrapped in premium leather upholstery, available in multiple color combinations, with real wood veneers and brushed aluminum accents. Ambient lighting is integrated into every corner of the cabin, and you can change colors and brightness to suit the mood, whether you want a calm, relaxing evening atmosphere or a bright and energized daytime feel. The cockpit is fitted with Mercedes' latest MBUX infotainment system, which includes large dual digital screens for the driver and passenger, augmented reality navigation, intelligent voice controls, and seamless smartphone integration make it feel like you're operating a luxury car rather than a massive motorhome. Driving this vehicle is not intimidating thanks to intuitive controls, excellent visibility, and advanced driver assistance features. Moving into the living area, the space opens up beautifully. There's a lounge with reclining leather chairs and a sofa that can transform into a dining setup or even additional sleeping space. The kitchen area is compact yet extremely practical, with a premium induction cooktop, a refrigerator, a microwave, and modern cabinetry with soft close drawers and hidden compartments. Everything feels high-end, from the materials to the design. Mercedes has paid attention not just to luxury, but also to efficiency, so you'll find that every inch of space is optimized for storage and usability. The rear houses the main bedroom, fitted with a queen-sized bed and a high-quality memory foam mattress. Panoramic side windows allow you to wake up to stunning views, while independent climate controls ensure you sleep in comfort no matter the outside weather. The bathroom is another highlight. It features a glass shower enclosure, modern fixtures, and even a rain-style shower head, making it feel more like a boutique hotel bathroom than something you'd expect inside a vehicle. The entire interior is soundproofed and insulated, so you can enjoy peace and quiet on the road or at a campsite. Now, performance is an area where Mercedes really shines, even in a segment not traditionally known for driving pleasure. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is powered by a turbocharged six-cylinder diesel engine as standard, offering plenty of torque for long highway drives and steep climbs. But Mercedes also offers a plug-in hybrid version, which allows for short-distance electric only. Driving, perfect for urban areas or campsites where you want silence and zero emissions. On the highway, the electric motor assists the diesel, boosting efficiency and providing smooth acceleration. The adaptive air suspension keeps the ride smooth, while precise steering makes it feel stable and surprisingly easy to control for its size. And with the latest suite of safety features, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and even semi-autonomous highway driving, you can travel with total peace of mind. Pricing reflects the exclusivity of this motorhome. The base version is expected to start around $250,000, while higher trims with full customization and extra features can easily reach $300,000 or more. For many buyers, that's the price of a luxury apartment. But the appeal here is the ability to take that apartment with you wherever you go. It's not just a purchase, it's a lifestyle choice. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a statement of how far automotive design has come, blending mobility, technology, and luxury in ways that seemed impossible a decade ago.